Hello beautiful beaders, welcome to the number series where I'll be showing you how to make beaded numbers. These are the materials you require: black and white beads, nylon monofilament line which will be 0.35 millimeters in diameter, a pair of scissors or nail cutter. Go ahead and cut your fishing line, then fold it into half. Using the fishing line on your right, pick 4 black beads. Pass the other fishing line through the last black bead that you entered and pull it down. On your left, pick 1 black bead, and on your right, pick 1 black and 1 white bead. Then crisscross. On your left, pick 2 black and 1 white bead. Pass the other fishing line through the last white bead that you entered and pull it down. Using the fishing line facing upwards, pick 1 white, 1 black, and 1 white bead. Pass the other fishing line through the last white bead that you entered and pull it down. Turn it upside down so that you can continue beading. Then pass the fishing line on your right through the next black bead. On your left, pick 1 black and 1 white bead. Then crisscross. Pass the fishing line on your right through the next black bead. Using the fishing line facing downwards, pick 1 white and 1 black bead. Then crisscross. We have completed beading, so you can go ahead and add black beads to finish off the pattern. That is how we bead number 1. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so please subscribe for more.